Hi guys, in this project I will show you the steel structure work. For this project you can see steel structure different size. You can see the I-beam at the top, and here you can see the surveying work, the bollard board for surveying work. They put, that's the center line. For that column there's another screw, and you can see the dowels for mason work. Number 5 dowels, each 1 foot, all the way. You can see here the elevation for the column base. It is like 2 foot deep. You can see on top of the footers. This project, on some project, they raise it up and they did like pier boxes or column boxes, but here designed to be set on top of footers. Each project is different. Here you can see the mason work, the rebar, and that's the steel structure. That is the day number 3. You can see all the large crane, all the equipment, and lift. You can see here the anchor bolts and the column base, bottom base. That's the other side of the footers. That's here the surveying work. You can see here this dirt here. There's a lot of rock. You can see a lot of rock. When we digged, it's hard to dig in rock land, but anyway, we just make it work. Those here the interior columns, and you can see how the columns, like here there's another base. It comes as more than one piece, and also at the top you can see here they welded this one bolt. They didn't finish. That's the other side. That's how they erect and install the steel structure for the building, and then later we pour slab. Like here in this project, we installed when we erected the building, the steel structure of the building, before we pour slab. Each project is different, depends about if the steel building is ready or not ready. Okay, thank you guys.